Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F8 Ultra and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So I hope that this video will be useful if you've accidentally maybe changed the system language and you have no idea what to do. So just recreate my steps, stop the video if you need to, if you need more time, that's all right. So let's begin with the settings. So just find this icon with this app with gear icon. Let's tap on it. And here we have to scroll all the way down to find the option additional settings. So just localize this icon with three dots inside. Now let's tap on the second option, which is languages and input, and tap on the first option, which is languages. So finally here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all we have to do here is to find the language which we would like to apply and tap on it. I'll pick maybe Turkish. As you can see, it will be immediately marked, and after getting back you can see that from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. So fortunately in this device it is not really that complicated. Let me do it again. Just change it to English. Simply tap on it and it will be immediately applied. You do not even need to confirm anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.